fresh vegetables with hearts of palm, and homemade salad dressing. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are putting together a meatless meal and making a delicious hearts of palm salad. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Start by making the salad. Chop salad greens, rinse, and drain them. Cut tomatoes into quarters. Slice cucumbers, olives, and 1/4 of a red onion. Take a moment to like and share this recipe. Check out our channel for other tasty salad recipes. If you enjoy our salads, subscribe and click on notifications so you do not miss any new videos. Add lettuce to a large bowl, along with prepared tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, and red onion. Crumble on your favorite blue cheese. And grab your can of hearts of palm. These come pre-sliced. Add hearts of palm to the salad. What warm weather salads do you enjoy eating? Let us know by commenting below the video. Make the salad dressing. Gather dried spices, sugar, oregano, basil, salt, and pepper. Toast spices in a skillet over low heat until fragrant, 1 to 2 minutes. Set aside to cool. Spray a spoon with nonstick spray. Gather mustard and add it to a jar. Pour in cooled spices, white wine vinegar, and olive oil. Smash and chop garlic. Add garlic to the jar. If you are enjoying this simple salad recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it. Also subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. Shake salad dressing in jar until combined. Pour a desired amount of dressing over salad and serve. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.